So in the last installment of an epic unboxing, we opened the dragon coin, and Michael completely refused to make a dragon noise. So I want a swan. Give me a swan.
No way.
Give me a swan.
I wouldn't even know what one sounds like.
I know, it's like a...
That's a goose.
Goose. You're a goose. Hey everyone, it's Joanne.
Michael.
From Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Putting my voiceover thing on. All right. Let's do it. We are opening the, what is it? The gold dragon. No, the gold dragon.
Gold swan.
The gold swan. Okay.
Don't do that to me.
Hang on. The gold swan, you goose. All right.
Yes.
Gold swan. Gold swan from the Perth Mint. The Perth Mint 2021 gold swan. Finally in the store.
They are. Now these are limited numbers. They're incredibly limited actually. They're 5,000 of these all up worldwide. So it's next to nothing.
Well, wow. Do you know what the sort of Australian allocation was, roughly?
I don't, but a good chunk of them would have come to Australia because, actually, no, I can't say that either.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I don't know,
Okay.
to be completely honest.
Okay.
I do know that we are only getting the gold swans in. We don't have access to the silver swans.
That's because it's a private mintage.
Correct, it's a private vintage.
Yep.
So we can have the gold, we can't have the silver this year.
Okay, so source them from somewhere else, people. The silver, that is.
The silver, yep.
But we have the gold.
We do have the gold.
Nice.
And as per usual, it's a beautiful West Australian design.
Let's get it on the black velvet.
Oh, we've got the black velvet.
And the something smile, whatever it is. There we go. Nice.
And we'll do a side by side if you want.
Comparison. Ah, lovely. I don't know why, but my OCD wants it on this side. Don't tell me why. I don't know, but that just feels better. There we go. The beautiful. Nice. Of course, they changed the swan, like the kangaroo and whatnot. Yeah. They change the swan design every year. Maybe you don't know this, but I'm trying to think of when the first year was that they started the swan design.
I think we're 5 years in.
Okay, righto.
But that's only a ballpark. Don't hold me to that.
I will not hold you to that. So the beautiful gold swan for this year, only 5,000 minted worldwide. Yeah. Her Majesty the Queen on the back, of course, worth a whopping $100 right there. Lovely. And we have, as I said, we have how many? How many did we actually get ourselves?
200.
Gee, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good out of a 5,000 worldwide mintage.
Yeah.
Wow. We must be doing some good things up in here or something. I don't know.
Something like that.
Yeah. What else do they need to know?
That's pretty much it. Get them while you can. They won't last a heck of a long time. I think we'll have them for a week or two, but don't hold your breath on much longer.
Awesome. All right. Fair enough. Head over to the website if you're watching this right now. They are up depending on how long it is since this video was released, of course. And if they're out, they're out. They're gone. So get them while you can. All right. As usual, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.